Oh, you Somalian?
No, I'm Jamaican, bro.
You Somalian, bro?
No Somalia, no Somalia,
Oh
no,
my
no, no,
mama!
no. We're
I
Jamaican,
ate I ate Somalian food. You Somalian, bro?
bro. I'm not Somali. What are you talking about?
Bro, I'm my mommy, bro. You Somalian, bro, for sure.
No, bro, I'm not Somalian. Ninka iga cadiya, أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم ويسoo qabtay. I'm not
What the
Somalian, bro.
fuck? Hey. What the fuck? All right, hold on. Now you can't do that. That ain't cool. You can't do shit like that. I don't understand that. You can't do that.
Yeah, but I was talking Jamaican to my followers. I said this guy, he catches me. He know where I'm from.
So,
You
y'all-
think I'm from Somalia? I'm not. Why should I lie?
No, I realized I went to school with Somalians, bro. I swear to God, I did. I went to school with Somalians, people from Tanzania, Liberia. Bro, she's definitely Somalian for sure, most definitely.
I'm not Somalia.